Hello guys, good morning. Today we are going to discuss the commands using which will interact with the system. As I told in the previous session that in Windows, if you want to interact with any of the files or folders using the graphical user interface, but in Linux, if you want to interact with the system or any of the tasks, like you want to see what are the processes running, what are the files present in the system, what are the folders present in the system, how to deal with the memory, how to deal with the disk, how to deal with the various devices available in your system. So all the things you will use the commands. So command is nothing but your set of instruction. It's a set of instruction like date, cal, what is. These are one instructions. And this is a gift of the cell. The cell has given this type of commands to interact with the system. So it is nothing but your it's like some words that you are combining with each other to make a sentence in your English language. So like this, for interacting to the Linux, like and suppose Linux is a man, Linux is a person, and you are the person. So you want to ask some question to Linux. So at least you should have knowledge about that what Linux knows, right? So these many things are known by Linux. That's why we can tell these are the commands. So to ask any question to Linux, you have to learn the Linux commands. Okay. So let's start with it. So command you will use for seeing the current date. Let's execute that. So this is my current date. Okay. So date command is used to show you the current date. So if you will see, this is February 25th, and the current time is 4:02:53, and it's Friday. Okay. Then sometimes people don't like to see all this information, so they have the interest to see only this part. Or somebody is wanting to see like today is 25th slash 02/2022. So how to accomplish this type of output using the date command again? So date, there is a syntax plus within single quote you write like percentile. Suppose I want to show you the date. Date means D. Here if you type D, then it is going to show you this date. Suppose you want to see the month, then here you put M, it is going to show you the month. Then year, you put Y, it is going to show you the year. So my intention is like to see 25th/02/2022. So how to do date plus is the syntax. Okay, you have to write the plus, you have to write the single quote within the single quote. So here you can use the double quote also. Percentile D, then percentile M, percentile Y. If you write this way, then it is trying to display this, but this is not looking good. That's why I will give a separator between date, separator, any separator, slash. I am giving another slash here. So it looks good now. Okay. Somebody is interested to show the timestamp also. So time, current time in the hour, minute, and second format. So here, suppose I'm giving one space, it will print the space also. So percentile capital H colon percentile capital M colon percentile S. So colon is just I'm removing that colon. You can also see like this, but you cannot able to separate that hour, minute, second. To separate them, any any symbol you can give. So I'm giving a colon symbol. So here the colon is going to be typed. Now this is a good date. So that my intention was to see this type of output. It is showing. Okay. Suppose month is coming in the form of numeric format. I want to see the month in the style like FEP or February. So what to do on date here? If I'll put a percentile M, percentile P is per month FEB. If we'll put instead of consecutive them, we will do a like minus. You'll give a minus here. So it is showing you this type of output. And suppose if you want to see the full name of this month like February, so here you'll give a capital P. And suppose you want to see a AM or PM, then here like AM, right? So AM, for AM you have to use my percentile P. P like it is a PM, then it will show you PM, then currently it is AM, that's why showing AM. Suppose you want to see the IST or EST or any UTC, so here you will give percentile, that is Z, okay, capital Z. Capital Z is showing like this. You will put a small Z, then you will give like, okay, here. Now telling that IST or GST, so what to do? Let's see the man page. The man is nothing but your helper page. Okay. So man, then date. So let's go to this downwards. Then here, if you want to see that IST or BST or EST, then you have to use that local, okay. P is for AM or PM, and there is a, just give me some, yes, percentile S is there. Okay, S, then yeah, percentile Z is there. So capital percentile Z should show you. So somewhere, sometimes it is not showing like this. Suppose Z you have, you should see that UST or BST, etc., etc. So in the next class, I will check and let you know how to do. But yes, you have many options to see the date or formatting the data output in different ways. So I told you some of them. So please do this practice, whatever I have told. After that, if the time permits to you, then you will go to, you should go to the man page, and you can also check in the Google. There are many options, many examples are there, so to get a good knowledge on the date. So whatever I have shown, like 10 to 15 options, and that's sufficient for you. Now let's move to the cal command. So cal command is used to show you the calendar of this current month. Sometimes some people may be interested in and 2 to 3 months, like today's this month and the previous month or the next month. So for this, for see the this output like previous month and the current month and next month, you will give a cal -3. सो आपके मन में ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया होगा कि मैंने अगर -3 दे के प्रीवियस मंथ, करंट मंथ एंड नेक्स्ट मंथ लिख सकता हूँ क्या? -5 दे के थोड़ा 2 महीना पीछे लिख सकता हूँ? सो ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. सो ओनली -3 के सिवा और कोई भी कमांड काम नहीं करता है, कोई भी ऑप्शन काम नहीं करता है. सो ओनली -3 काम करता है. ओके, न्यूमेरिक. Then sometimes people are interested to see the calendar in other format like Julian format. So cal -j will give j. So it is showing use Julian format. That means till from the January 1, what is the current serial number of this date? So it was like if you only put date, sorry, only put cal, and it is showing 25th. So 25th day, if I am calculating the February 1 as a 1, but February 1 is actually 32nd day according to January, according to the first day of this year. So first day is January 1. So January month end day is the 31st. Then and the February 1 is coming the 32nd day. If I will calculate that way, then today is the 56th day as per the year. Okay. So in this year, so we are in the 56th day. This type of output is called a Julian format output. So we'll see all the other options gradually if it is required. So sometimes I will show you the same cal command with other option when as and when it is needed, because now if I will tell everything, then it is not that much easy to remember all the things. Sometimes I will let's suppose I'm teaching some other command like AWK, and that time also I am going to show you some more options about this cal command. So let's wait for that. And now I'll like to go for the next command. So there is a command called package. Used to show you a one-line definition of the in one-line definition of all command in Linux. So before executing this what is command, I would like to update this Linux. Okay, so what happened when we launched that particular Linux? We launched the Linux. That time minimal software it came, and uh, and the versions that is available in AWS that is coming. But if I'll update the whole thing, then I will get some latest version of the each command. Okay, so let's do that. So if I want to update the Linux system that I have, I use the yum command. In Linux it is yum, yum, then update update, then enter key. So it is telling that error because you are a normal user. So EC2 user is a normal user. You don't have right to execute any installation command, or you can't uninstall any command without help of root user. So you have to be in the root user. So let's be in the root user. So what I'm going to be in the root user, it should be like sudo su minus. So for now, I'm not telling much more about this sudo su minus. So you have to write this to reach to the root user. Gradually, after some classes, I will describe what is this sudo su minus. Okay. So sudo means sudo user, su means super user, or that I went root user and minus. So if you do this, you will get. So previously, you are getting this dollar symbol in front of normal user. Now you are a root user, so you are getting a hash here. If you want to see yourself that what user I am using currently, so that is who am I. So you see, this is a root user now. So now root user can execute any of the installation or update command like yum update. If I'm executing that yum update, then it is updating my these many packages. So these many commands are going to be updated. 7 packages and 3 install. It will install 7 package and it will update 308 packages. It is again asking me for the confirmation, and it is going to download 432 megabyte of data for new updates. So give a y command here because it is asking either y or n. So put a y and it is Guys, it is very early morning and it's 5:07 a.m. It download now. It will install. It is installing all these things. It will take some time, at least 1 or 2 minutes it is going to take. And after that, all of my old version of the commands will be upgraded into the new version of the command, because every command has a version. You can see every command with -b option for versioning. Hmm. It is taking a lot of time because first time I'm upgrading my this command. 342 or 308 number of softwares are there or commands are there. Some packages are being installing and some old packages are being upgrading. Almost it is going to be finished. Almost done. So finally it is doing the cleanup activities. So after installing anything and upgrading the appropriate softwares, it is cleaning the unnecessary files. You have to manage. So it took some more time today. It depend upon the speed you have, that internet speed also. So you are able to see some numbers like 6178. So it was telling that only 308 number of packages, but what is this number? So suppose it is installing some XYZ package, then before installing XYZ package, it may maybe depend upon some PQR package. So it was not shown to me while it was calculating that how many number of packages to be upgraded. But later, if it requires like before this XYZ package, some PQR package will be installed, then it is installing that also. That's why these numbers we are able to see. Okay. It will take a little bit more time. I would like to stop this video. So after this, it is going to install sorry everything and update the required packages. So let's pause this thing now.